Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to create these stunning, sparkly golden and silver earrings. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more creative and stylish videos like this. Materials you'll need: 3 mm silver glass bead, 3 mm golden glass beads, 0/11 seed beads, 6 mm pearl beads, ear ring stud, 0.18 mm beading thread. Next, pick up 5 seed beads, bring them down, then pass the needle through all 5 beads again and tie a knot. Tip: when tying the knot, make sure to leave a 15-inch tail. Now, pass the needle through 1 seed bead. Now, pick up a 3-piece 3 mm silver bead and pass the needle back through the seed bead. Now, pass the needle through the next seed bead. Now, pick up 2 3 mm beads. Pass through a 3 mm bead previously added the side bead, and pass through the seed bead again. Repeat this process for all remaining beads, except the last one. On the last remaining seed bead, pass the needle through the seed bead and the first 3 mm silver bead you added the side bead. Now pick up 1 3 mm bead, pass through the side 3 mm silver bead, the seed bead, and come back out through the starting 3 mm side bead towards the top. This completes the first set of the pattern. Now pass the needle through the upper bead. Pick up 1 3 mm golden bead and pass the needle through the next silver bead. Repeat the same step on the remaining beads. Once all finish adding the golden beads, the needle comes out from the silver bead. Pick up 3 seed beads and pass the needle through the next silver bead, going from above the golden bead. Repeat this same process on the remaining golden beads. Now, pass the needle from the seed bead side and come up on the upper seed bead. Now, take a 6 mm pearl bead and pass the needle through the opposite side upper seed bead. Now, pass the needle through the pearl bead and the upper seed bead again. Pulling the wire will fix the pearl firmly in the center, making the stud more firm. Pick up 2 seed beads, pass the needle through the upper seed bead. Now, repeat this process on all sides. This step will create a round to secure the pearl in the center. After filling all the gaps with the seed beads, pull the circle tight. Then, pass the needle through the entire circle again to make it firm and perfect. Now, bring the needle from the side, tie a few knots, and cut the excess wire. Now, take the tail you left at the beginning, pass it through some of the beads, tie a knot, and cut the excess. Now, take the E8000 glue, apply it to the earring stud, and stick it onto the pearl. Here you go, your earrings are ready. It's very easy to make, and they are very sparkly, stylish, and elegant. Go make your own golden and silver earring studs now. If you make this earring, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your creation. If you like my video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment. I will surely reply it. Thank you for watching my video.